and welcome back. This is Tandeep Singh and you're watching Star Edu. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my 9 key tips to raise confident kids and nurture self-esteem. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video.
Take a moment to like, share and subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Number 1 is time. Well, you as a parent need to take out time to engage with your child on a daily basis. This engagement is a two-fold process, where in the first part is where you need to know the state of your child, as in his mental being and his physical being, also because it's going to help you to read between the lines. And the second is that your child also needs to know that you see them on a daily basis, you are paying attention to them. Number 2 is don't praise with a good job. Use a specific praise instead. We all know that saying good job is the easy way out. When your child is showing you a new painting that they've made, or a new magic trick that they've been learning, or has been asking you the same question the 100th time now, you need to change your approach, because our kids know when you're giving them a cursory glance or an obligatory good job. The kids know. It only takes a few seconds to stop what you're doing and look at what your child is showing you. It instills in him immense confidence that yes, my mother believes in me, my father believes in me, and praise him. And what I would suggest is, rather than using the I's, use you. Don't praise that, oh, I like your painting so much, or I think you've done a great job. No, I think you should use you. You've used such brilliant colors for your painting. You've been working hard on this project, or it's your efforts that have got you here. So rather than using the I's, rather than making yourself the center of the praise, make him the center of praise. Say you. Number 3 is kids shine with positive reinforcement. So the tip here is, don't wait for your child to come to you and show you something. I'd rather suggest that you look for more reasons to casually drop compliments here and there. Unsolicited compliments tell your kids that you're paying attention to them. And honestly, nothing feels more important and special than when someone notices you. Number 4 is giving kids choices empowers them. Now these choices could be anything. Now you as a parent could give your child like 2 options. What would you like to wear? Would you like to wear a yellow dress today or a red dress? So your child feels empowered that yes, I'm the one who's making these choices. Oh, and if someone says, oh, you're looking very pretty in this yellow dress, he knows that that's the choice he made for himself, and that's how it boosts confidence. Number 5 is don't jump into rescue when your child experiences failures or challenges. Well, this could be quite a challenge for yourself, because it's not easy to see that your child is troubled or is experiencing some sort of challenges or failure, because that's going to hurt you too. It's very important for our kids to learn about failure, what it feels like to fail, and most importantly, how to pick yourself and overcome it. Well, failure and challenges are something that all the children must learn, in my opinion, because that's what makes them stronger. And in case you jump in to rescue every time your child is facing some challenges or failure, this makes him more dependent on you and would in turn harm his self-esteem or his confidence. So let your kids take risks and experience failure and new things every day. Number 6 is let your kids help. Now, even if it drives you crazy or slows things down, let them help. Let them be a part of the daily routine or the household chores that you're doing, because this makes them feel more connected. It makes them feel that they're contributing to the family, to the house, and also it in turn makes them more responsible. So let them help, involve them in your daily tasks. Number 7 is saying yes is an instant confidence and self-esteem booster. I know it's easy to say no just out of habit, like no phones, no candies, no playing outside. But when you constantly keep saying no, it becomes a second nature. And what it does in turn is it erodes your child's self-confidence. Confident kids who can ask their parents will automatically feel confident enough to raise their hand in the class, to step up to the plate, or make decisions that they're confident with. Number 8 we have on the list is my favorite. Model confidence to raise confident kids. Now, Ben Brown says that what you do not have, you cannot give to your child. And I couldn't agree more. If the parents don't show confidence, the children will not learn confidence. It is a great reminder that in order for us to teach things like confidence, self-esteem, resilience, perseverance, kindness, we must be these things ourselves. We must remember, if we have weaknesses, they will be reflected in our children. But our strengths, our children will adapt them too.
The 9th tip is create a strong bond with your child. Children who grow with a secure and healthy attachment to their parents stand a better chance of developing happy and content relationships with others in their life. He also learns to regulate emotions under stress and in difficult situations. It also helps the child exhibit optimistic and confident social behaviors. So, it's very important for you as a parent to create that strong bond with your child.
I'm sure that these 9 key tips to raise confident kids and nurture self-esteem would be of great use to you and would also help your children be the better future.